Hi everyone, welcome to my corner. For those who don't know, my name is Sana. And in my channel, I try to demonstrate and discover all the ancient methods that our ancestors used to practice in their life to simply have a better life. Because I believe healing and living, which is empowered and inspired by nature and Mother Earth, is the true way of life. That's the thing I really trust. So in my channel, you can expect ancient remedies, all the cultural and traditional cookings and recipes, homemade and natural skincare, and all the tips and natural methods to take care of our body. So if just like me, you also are so passionate to find out the way of our ancestors lived, and you would like to use and utilize those methods in your daily life today, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell to make sure you get all the video notifications. By the way, I would love to hear from you and how your ancestors used to live. I would love to know all about their ways and methods they used to have in their life. So if you would love to share them with me so that maybe I can just make a video out of it with your name, you can just email me to this below email and I will make sure I would share it with many people out there. So what are you waiting for? Hit the video tab and just enjoy the videos.